What is up, guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Steam error. An error occurred launching this game, no license. So this error you can just randomly get from Steam, and there's one fix for it. So it's a pretty simple fix. What you want to do is first go to the Steam icon on the top, or the Steam menu on top, and click Settings. Then once you go to Settings, you can go to Interface, right? And then from here you'll see this client beta participation. Okay, so you want to make sure that by default no beta is chosen. That's the default selected, so you want to click Steam beta update. Okay, so once you do that, it'll ask you to restart your Steam, and then from there you can go and test out your build, right, or your game again. All right, and that's one way it should work. The other option is you can install something called Goldberg Emulator. So let's pull that up. So I have it over here, Goldberg. I just Googled it, and well, I guess this is Bing, but Goldberg Emulator, you click that and you'll see the latest build. So this will download like a zip file, right? And then from the zip file, you can extract it and run it, and it's not going to be running anything. So I have it over here, the zip file, you guys can see. So what you want to do is first look at the things that are available. You want to extract it first. So if you're on Windows, just get these two Steam files. You want to copy these. And then if you are on Linux, you can go in here, and then I guess depending on which you're on, you can copy these two .so files. All right, so since I'm on Windows, I'll copy these two files, but obviously remember you have to extract it first. Okay, you'll copy those two, then go back in Steam, go to the game which is giving you errors. So what you want to do is click it, go to right click it, I should say, go to manage, or no, so let's see, properties. Okay, so yeah, looking at my games, I don't have any games over here that are related to any local installations, right? So right now it's just all on the server. So depending on, once you have something installed, all you would do is right click it, and then there would be an option to go to into the folder location. So under manage, let's say here, and it would be browse folder location or local file or something like that. And then you would go over there, and then all you would do is just paste those two DLL or .so files that you copied into that folder. Okay, wherever it takes you, that's all you have to do, and then restart Steam and it should be working. All right, so that's pretty much it. Those are two different ways to kind of fix that error. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. If it did work for you, or if it didn't, then let me know. I can possibly look for another solution. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.